husband and I have 3 young boys, and my husband's a car guy, so his garage is a big thing for him and his boys to be able to play with all their cars. They do go-karts and dirt bikes and motorcycles, and the garage is a big thing in our house. So when we had the opportunity to get it refinished, it was a huge ordeal to jump on board and get it done. Concrete, getting it tore up, replaced was definitely not an option versus the cost of just getting it refinished. Getting to have a bunch of swatches and samples was awesome for us to kind of come out here knowing we had kind of multicolored, different paint scheme going on, get to really visualize and see, knowing we wanted it to look like a garage floor, not too fancy since it is a workspace. That was awesome for us to be able to pick and choose how we know we wanted it to look in the end. It seemed like for what has to get done, it didn't take long at all. It did take over a couple days span, but it's because we wanted it done right. He wanted it done right. The way you guys do your process, it's amazing. It did go quick, filling in, patching, repairs. Almost seems like above and beyond compared to what we expected from the get-go. It looked great. Everything went smooth as planned, kind of walked us, talked us through it, which helped, so we knew exactly where we were as it went along.
Excellent.
Oh my gosh, I can't stop smiling. I love it, it looks great. Being that my husband is a car guy, we can't wait to have all our friends over to see what we're doing. We can't wait to show it off, tell all our friends about it, because we know they're going to be just as thrilled as we are